Hi, this is Brother Barnes. It's the summer of 2021, and Canvas has changed how to link the startup button. Notice that when I click the startup button, it goes to, orientation no man's land, and I don't want it to go there. I want it to go at the start, at the top where my stuff is located. And so we're going to fix that. And so let's go back home. We're going to click edit in just a minute. But really, as far as I can tell, the best thing is to go to the page that you want for the destination to be. And this is it. This is where I want it to be. I'm going to copy this address right here. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back home. I'm going to click on edit. And I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click that. I'm going to click link options. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to get rid of this. See, it has a different extension on the end of it. If you'll notice, there's a different number on the end. That's why it's kind of going to that different spot. Click done and then save it. And then notice that the startup button, when clicked, will go to the top of the stack. I know Canvas is trying to improve things, but you may be like me, and new Windows operating systems do not necessarily diminish or enhance the peace in your life. Maybe that is what I'm trying to say. Anyhow, thank you for making improvements, Canvas. Kind of.